Okay, good day everyone. So later today around 10 p.m. we are going to have a tutorial about the Unimax Exchange. So Unimax Exchange is the exchange inside the Unilive. You see this one? So it's the Unimax Exchange. We were going to have a tutorial demonstration on how to use on our live around 10 p.m. 10 p.m. in the evening inside our Unilive live stream video. So kindly follow us and join to learn more about the Unimax Exchange. So to those who don't have yet Unimax Exchange, you can register our Unilive link, and it is part of the application. It's one of the ecosystem, and also you can also join directly to Unimax Exchange. You can check the comment, or I will make another post about the Unimax Exchange. So the goal of this exchange is one of the top 10 exchange worldwide. Okay, so let me just show you. So this one is loading right now, but we are going to share and discuss about Unimax Exchange, about tutorial, how to do the spot trading, how to do the deposit and everything, how to do the withdrawal, and you can also ask questions about the KYC, about the transactions, what you need to do, and we are more than happy to share regarding this exchange for you to understand and learn more about it. Okay, so let me show you once again. So this is the Unimex. This is the Unimex exchange. Can you see it? Yeah. So this is the Unimex exchange. So there is also a limited time spin the wheel that you can win zero point 0.1 BTC. Okay. So we're going to have a tutorial starting tonight, 10 p.m. Also tomorrow, choose Monday and Tuesday. So it will be 3 days tutorial. You can take advantage of this one inside our live stream inside the Unilive. Okay, so thank you very much.